Islington's queer history, wider Islington LGBTQIA plus history project video 20, Switchboard, 1974. This is the second oldest LGBTQIA plus telephone helpline. It's only been beaten by one day because the day before they got beaten by the Edinburgh Befrienders started up their service, so they lost out on becoming the first LGBTQIA plus um, organisation by one day. I think that there are other examples. I can think of how LBC started the day before Capital Radio. They started off a talk radio station in October 1973. It was a jump ahead of the Capital, who I imagine had more of a fanfare about starting their music channel as soon as the deregulation had happened. But anyway, after the after the partial decriminalisation of homosexuality in 1968, the first the helpline for Switchboard started on the 4th of March 1974. They took their first call. They have 12 staff, 200 volunteers, and they deal with matters from coming out to providing a guide for bars and for organisations that help for gay people. They provide accommodation advice. They can point people towards flat shares. They are non-judgmental. And within 10 years of them opening, so 1974, by 1984, they were taking 210,000 calls per year. They in 2014, the Queen's Award for Voluntary Service was given to celebrate the 40th anniversary. It was like the first time the Crown has supported an LGBTQIA plus organisation, and they changed their name from the London Lesbian and Gay Switchboard. They rebranded in 2015 to encompass all LGBTQIA plus people with their new name. So they tend to be just called Switchboard, but the London Lesbian and Gay, no, the LGBT plus Switchboard or LGBTQIA plus Switchboard. I tend to use all 7 letters to be more inclusive, but you could add even more letters. They include all orientations, all gender identities, and as well as phone calls, they have email and instant messaging as a means of communicating for providing support. They provide there's like they provide reports, Listen Up 2024, and every conversation counts. And they have charity raising events such as Stand Up for Switchboard at the Queer Comedy Club. Okay, that's all I'll say about this particular one, this particular video. I will talk more about these on my dedicated channel when I've got that up and running which may be delayed a little. But thanks for watching and bye for now.